Well, hello. Um, all right, so I got problems with this sofa, and I tried to repair it, but anyway, let's okay, take the pillows off. See if we can do something. Now, let's see. Normally, this sofa like has these little thingies here that rise so that you can lay down and like watch TV and have like you know your legs up, and you have a little switch here. Okay, and you pull it, and when you pull it, whoop, ouch, the legs go up. Okay, so that's fine. Now, ouch. Now the problem is, it's broken on this side. Ah, shit, I hate these bird feathers. It's because of that, well, the pillow under the blanket there is full of bird feathers. So here, I pull on this side. Yeah, anyway, so see, so I tried to remove the thingy and see if I could repair it, but let's try again. Oh, it's this little thing here that's... So let's turn the sofa over, preferably without killing myself. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. So, all right. Let's try to do some engineering here. I feel like a mechanic about to repair an airplane or something. Okay, so let's see this switch here. So first of all, okay, so this end point this way, that end this way, so you can put the other one the right. Anyway, so when I pull this, see this little thingy moves. See, chook, chook, chook. And I guess when it moves, okay, is it this thing? Wait. Okay, so it moves this and it makes it pull on that. And when you pull on that, well, see, it makes the whole thing rise up. That's what it does. And when it rises to a certain point, whatever, it's sort of, why is this open? Oh well, anyway. So that's that, okay? That's how this works. See, it kind of does like a little kick motion. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, so let's figure things out on this side. Now, so normally you're supposed to pull this thing like this, right? And when you pull it, you see, it does the same kicking motion, but somehow it's not. Wait a minute. See, the spring moves here. Okay, the spring moves, but here, when I do the thing, the spring doesn't move. Okay, so here it goes down like this. Okay, let's see. I guess the equivalent thingy on the other side. Wait a minute. Is this thing broken? What the hell? No, it's on the side there, behind. Okay, same thing here, I think. Well, it should be like glued to this. Huh. Wait a minute. Okay, so it looks the same. And it's supposed to like pull strong enough so that, see, it's supposed to go up like this. So, and it worked this time because I did it by hand, but somehow, okay, see, here the spring kind of squeezes. Okay, let's see if it squeezes on the other side. Okay, it squeezes. All right. Holy shit. Okay. And I feel bad for NASA engineers. Okay, let's see if I can put this thing back. So I suppose... okay, so that thing should go like this. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. For fuck's sake, why is it like so complicated? All right, I think. Okay, I'm gonna get back here. You. Okay. Okay. So when I pull, okay, it does this. How far does it go? Should measure. Okay, it goes about as far as that metal thingy there. Okay, just about. See, like this. It goes about this far. Okay, let's go see on the other side how far it goes. See if maybe that's the problem. Oh yeah. See, that's the metal thingy we're using as reference. See here, I pull, and the other one goes as far as this about, but this one goes further. And the movement is much. It feels much smoother, as well. Oh shit. And here. As you can see, it doesn't go further. I guess that's what's broken. See, by hand I can make it go further, but when I pull on it, look at how far it pulls. It curves like really, wait a minute. And on the other side, when I do this, it curves as well, but I guess not in the same direction. Wait. Okay, is that it? Like this? Wait. Okay, so that thingy looks like it's differently set inside. Wait, is it? Well, not really. It's about the same, but it just seems more fragile, I guess, in some way. What's going on here? How does this little thingy work? For fuck's sake. Wait a minute, huh? So if I pull... It's like if it's somehow not pulling enough. Is there some sort of other... like... There's something broken in this thing? Well, I don't think so. Everything seems to be fine, I suppose. Wait, wait a minute here. Wait, just a sec. See how things look from the inside. Okay, so you can see this thingy like this right there. Okay. You can see the metal thingy here that we put in earlier. Alright. Let's see if we can still see it on the other side. Yeah, there it is. Right there. Just the same. Oh. And here. It just seems to be in the reverse, kind of. Oh, and the wire isn't completely in the circle. It's sort of, wait, well that's weird. Why does it do that? Sort of seems to not go straight. Wait. I think the video just cut for a second there. It's like, ouch. Maybe this is how you do it. Ouch. I think that thingy has to be sort of like, is there like a little hole it can go in or something? Wait, this is getting complicated here. Like, okay, like I don't know. I mean, it's like supposed to be straight. Somehow it's not. Can I put my hand in there somewhere without like chopping my arm off? Or else I can't post this video on YouTube. It's gonna have to be like some gore side or something. Wait a minute. Can I see if it's straight? No, straight enough, I guess. Okay, I think it's sort of a little bit beyond the metal. Yeah, well, not really. What the hell? What's going on here, guys? Let me just try again. I put this back. Oh shit, are you kidding me? I can't even... Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Okay. For fuck's sake. Alright. Let's try again. Oh well. Shit. Alright, I give up. If anyone has any idea how to do this, please let me know or something. Cause, yeah. Anyway, see you guys some other time, okay? Bye bye.